Today, we're diving into some hot news about Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We're still about 5 months away from the official launch, but leaks are already giving us a glimpse into what could be one of the most exciting smartphones of 2024. Let's get into the details. The design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra has been a big mystery, but now we might have our first look at what this new flagship will bring to the table. Reliable tipster Ice Universe, known for accurate Samsung leaks, recently posted an image on X that hints at the potential design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. From what we can see, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could feature slightly rounded corners, a noticeable change from the sharp, angular corners we saw on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This might seem like a small adjustment, but it could make a big difference in how the phone feels in your hand. Rounded corners could offer a more comfortable grip, especially for a device that's likely to be as large and powerful as this one. So how does this design compare to the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Ice Universe also shared a comparison image showing the front design of both models side by side. At first glance, it looks like Samsung isn't straying too far from the design blueprint of its current flagship. The screen size appears to be the same, and the aspect ratio seems to have remained consistent as well. The shift from sharp to rounded corners may indicate a broader design philosophy for Samsung in 2024, possibly prioritizing user comfort and aesthetics even more than before. The subtle tweaks in design can sometimes be the most impactful, especially when it comes to a device you'll likely be holding for hours each day. Previous leaks have given us a pretty good idea of what to expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra in terms of its camera setup. If the rumors are accurate, we're looking at a powerhouse photography system. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 200 megapixels primary rear camera, which could deliver stunningly detailed photos. This is paired with a 50 megapixels telephoto camera, a 50 megapixels super telephoto camera, and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera. On the front, there's expected to be a 12 megapixels camera for selfies. These camera specs suggest that Samsung is continuing its tradition of pushing the boundaries of mobile photography. The combination of high megapixel counts and advanced image processing could make the Galaxy S25 Ultra one of the best smartphones for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. Now let's talk about battery life. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to pack a 5000 mAh battery, which is on par with its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While this might not be an upgrade, it's still a solid capacity that should get you through a full day of heavy use. In terms of charging, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to support 45-watt fast charging. While this isn't a huge leap forward, it's still a reliable option that will get your phone charged up quickly when you need it. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be powered by some serious hardware. The flagship is rumored to come equipped with a 3-in processor, likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which features Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU cores. This could mean a significant performance boost, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra one of the fastest smartphones on the market. But that's not all. There are also reports that the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.